Sairam children, welcome to EVS class. Before starting our lesson, we will do Omkaram 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam children, let me present PPT. Okay, let me open. Yes. We are going to learn the chapter number 8. That is, the name of the chapter is Flying High. Flying High. Can you guess the name? What is it about? Yes, it is about birds. Very good. Most of the birds can fly. Even some insects are called and also fly. But we are now going to learn about birds. Okay. This is the topic, the types of birds. For that, I am going to present a video for you. It is available in the um, Tata Class Edge. Okay, let me to open it. Let me sign in. Yes, it is coming. Here it is EVS. Chapter name is Flying High. We are going to study about types of birds. Let me click this. Now we are going to see the birds in the jungle. We can see so many birds are here. It is the forest. Okay. Now these birds are making noise, too much noise. They are praising themselves. Let us see what is going on here. Look at these birds. You have to recognize the birds by its sound. We have to click the bird that make cow sound. Cow sound. Which one? This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes. Let us see. Correct. I am a crow. I have black feathers. I eat all waste around here. So it is a crow. Next. Look around you. Which bird make tick tick sound? This one? This one? Let us see. Yes, I am a woodpecker. I make all the tree trunk with point strong beaks. I love to eat the juicy insects. Which bird is making too much noise? Let us see. This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, let us see this one. You found me. I am a parrot. I love to eat fruits. Next. Now you have to click on the Tailor bird. Tailor bird. It stitches its nest So it may be this one. Let us see. Hello, I am a tailor bird. I use my sharp beaks to stitch the leaves together to make my house. You, we have to, we have to click the bird that eats the dead animals. Let us click this. Yes, that's great. I am a vulture. Ah, I eat dead animals and I keep the place neat and clean. Next, click the bird with the beautiful feathers. Which one? Yes. Okay, this one. Yes, I'm a peacock. I I make sounds during the rainy season and I have beautiful feathers. Next, I can hear the bird singing. Which bird sound is this? Let us see. This one. Yes, let us. Yeah. Yes, I'm a quail. People say that I have a sweet voice. Children, did you enjoy this? We shall see another video. Yes. This is a nest. Okay. Here we can see a eagle. Here two things are written. One is written, it is pebbles. What is pebble? Pebbles are small stones, pieces of stones. Some birds used to make nest using pebbles like penguin. Twigs. What is the meaning? Twigs are very small and thin parts of a branch. Some birds used to make nest using twigs also. Next. Now the picture of some birds are given, isn't it? We have to, here below this we can see the nest homes of these birds. We have to drag the birds to the correct, to their correct homes. Okay. First, what is this? This is a sparrow. Have you seen? It has very short, stout beak. Isn't it? So let us see. Where is it? It makes nest among shrubs. Let us see. Is it a shrub? No. It may be this one. So we have to drag and bring it here. We will submit it later. Then we can know whether the answer is correct or wrong. Right? Now, this one. This one is weaver bird. What is it? Weaver bird. Weaver bird nest is a hanging type nest. We can see many hanging nests on the tree. Male weaver bird used to make the nest for female birds. The female bird select any one of the nests and it lays egg in that nest only. So, which one is the hanging nest? It might be, isn't it? Okay, let us try. Yes. Next one. See, eagle is here. Eagle used to make the nest on the top of the tall trees, huge trees. We can see here this one. Yes. See, what is it? It's a woodpecker, isn't it? What is it? Woodpecker. It makes noise tuck, 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 with a chisel like beak. isn't it? Okay, let us drag. It lives in holes of the tree. Now, which bird stitches its leaves to make its nest? Yes, tailor bird. Now we can see the answers. Yes, excellent, very nice. Now let me to log out from this. Yes. Now we have seen different types of birds, isn't it? Now you have to identify these birds. First one with the red beak, green feathers, and it imitates human beings. Can you guess it? Yes, it is a parrot. So these are the features of the parrot. Next one. Have you seen this? Yes, this is a yes crow. It has black beak, black feathers, and it cleans around our surroundings. It eats everything. So our surroundings will become clean. So this is also a scavenger. Next, see which bird? This is the vulture. We have seen in the previous video also, isn't it? It eats the dead and decay animals. It also cleans the surroundings. So this bird is called scavenger. Which bird is this with beautiful feather? Yes, peacock. This is the male bird, isn't it? It has beautiful feathers. It dances during the rainy season. Next, these birds used to make tick 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 sound, isn't it? This bird has chisel-shaped beaks to make holes and also to find the insects. It likes to eat insects. This is woodpecker. What is it? Woodpecker. Now, cute, beautiful bird. Needle-like beaks. And it stitches leaves together to make its nest. Which bird is this? Yes, tailor bird, because it is stitching. That is why the bird's name is tailor bird. Now, see, very calm and quiet bird we have seen in our school also, isn't it? These birds used to make nest in classroom also, isn't it? Yes, what is its name? Yes, its name is, yes,
Pigeon,
pigeon.
ma'am.
Correct. Did you enjoy it? Very good. Now, we are going to see the book. Okay, book. Let us see the book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is written here? Flying high. Chapter number 8. These are the characteristics or features of these birds. Let us read. On my head, I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers, I am proud. Before the rain, I cry loud. Which bird is this? Yes, it is a peacock. Very good. Now, long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. It is a kite bird. What is it? Kite bird. Kite. Next. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Next. My feathers are green. My beaks are red. Guava and green chili are fed. I love to imitate people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Which bird is this? It is a parrot. Very good. Now, black are my feathers and black is my beak. Cow, cow, I do all the day long. Which bird is this? This is a
Crow.
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 Very good, very good. Clapping. Next page. We are going to the next page. Cuckoo is my sound. Everywhere I am found, my sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. What is its name? Its name is cuckoo or coil. Okay? Cuckoo or coil. Next. Dead animals I do eat, making place clean and neat. High up in the sky, in the dash I fly. Where? High up means in the sky. Correct. Vulture is what I am called by. So, which bird is this? Vulture. My beak is pink, but here the color is gray, but its beak is pink. Feathers gray. Gutrgu I go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I am known. What is it? It is a pigeon. Very good. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves, I make my home. The dashboard is how I am known. Which bird? It is a tailor bird because it stitches. That is why this bird's name is tailor bird. Now, in trunk of tree hole, I make hidden insects. I intake. I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. So, what is its name? Woodpecker. Do you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, this was the scene of daytime. At that time, one bird was sleeping. Which bird? Owl. It asked, why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. That time, this word is bulbul. It said, dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Then owl said, stop this bulbula. Why are you quarreling? No need to fight. We are all special in our own ways. We are all of us are special. Our claws means this one, just like the nails of ours. These are claws. Beaks, feathers, and sounds are different. Yet we are all birds. If we all look alike, ate the same food, and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. Same sound, same feather, same eating habit, and it is not beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Now, which of the birds mentioned in the lesson can you see? You can write here. Okay, children, you can write. So many birds we have seen in the book, so you can write here. Now you can go outside and look for birds on trees, in water or ground, in and around bushes. How many birds could you see? Okay, children. So I think all of you understood it very much, isn't it? Now we will meet next day. Now we will do Shanti part and we Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam children. Bye children.